Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Huawei Nova Y61, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. So firstly, open the control panel, swiping down from right top corner to down, and here you will see all icons, all quick action icons. So as you can see here, we have enabled Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data. I haven't enabled because I have a SIM card in my phone now, and location services. So all these features are constantly looking for networks. Wi-Fi, looking constantly for Wi-Fi networks, mobile data for LTE. Location for GPRS. So if you want to improve battery life, just disable unusing services, unnecessary services. So for example, if you are not using Wi-Fi right now, disable it because you're using only mobile data. If you are using mobile data, disable Wi-Fi. If you are not sharing UDIC, for example, disable Bluetooth. And if you are not using maps right now, just disable location. Okay, the second way you can improve battery life is to reduce your screen brightness. And the third way, the last way you can improve battery life is to enable power saving mode. To do it, open settings, scroll down, find your battery, and enable power saving mode. Of course, power saving mode helps to improve battery life because it's disabling features such as auto syncing or like background work of applications. So in this mode you can have a problem with getting messages from Messenger, from WhatsApp, from Telegram, but it will improve your battery life. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.